Alright guys, so welcome back to example 2 of relevant costing. And example 2 is really going into some more detail with regards to opportunity cost. So identify the correct opportunity cost using one antique piano stool on a project in each of the following situations below. So part 1 says an interior decorator has one antique piano stool on hand that they require for a new project. Two potential buyers have been approached. I've approached the decorator separately. Buyer A is prepared to pay 1,000. Buyer B has offered 1,500 for the piano stool. Alright, so just important things to jot down. There's really three alternatives. Well, three alternatives here. They're telling you you're choosing the one, but there's effectively three. One is a new project. Okay. Two is you can sell to buyer A and buyer B. So if you choose the new project, okay, which is what they're saying, that we have one piano stool, so only one to keep three people happy. We can only keep one of those three people effectively happy. We're choosing the new project. So the definition of the opportunity cost says it's the best, just to remind you, the best alternative for God. Alright, so if we are choosing the new project, we forgo A and B. And what's the best between A and B? Well, let's just write in the amounts there. A is they're going to pay us 1,000. B is they're going to pay us 1,500. So the best alternative that we forgo by choosing the new project is that we forgo the 1,500. And therefore the solution to part part 1 is 1,500, because that's the best alternative that we forgo by using the one antique piano stool in a new project. Right. Number 2, an interior decorator has two piano stools on hand. They require one piano stool on a new project. Two potential buyers have been approached, each wishes to purchase only one antique piano stool. Buyer A is prepared to pay 1,000 and buyer B is prepared to pay 1,500. So effectively the same example, only difference is that we effectively now have two stools. And so it's again the same options, but we have two stools effectively. So I can keep the new project happy, and I can keep one of buyer A and one of buyer B happy. Now, a rational person or a rational business person, if you have two stools, one's going to the project, you have one stool left, you would take the buyer who's prepared to pay you the highest. So you're going to take that option. Alright, so in this scenario, because while the 1,500 is higher, so in this second scenario, the only thing that you're foregoing is buyer A, because the new project is being kept happy. But because of the new project, if there was no new project, okay, maybe I should rephrase. If there was no new project, we have two stools, we would keep buyer A and we would keep buyer B happy. Alright, but now we have a new project and we need to use the stool in the new project. So now one chair goes to the new project and the other chair will go to the buyer that's prepared to pay the highest. That's the more rational decision. So the only thing that we're foregoing is the 1,000 in this case. That's the only other alternative that we're foregoing, and that's 1,000 rand, and therefore the solution to the second one is 1,000. Alright, so hopefully we have cemented some of the core principles, especially with regards to what an opportunity cost is and the definition of a relevant cost. And as I said, if you've got those two definitions embedded, then the rest just becomes easier. Alright, we'll check back in the next video where we're going to discuss the first three major decisions when it comes to, or first of the three major decisions when it comes to relevant costing. Alright, see you soon.